Hi everyone, my name is John Ross, and I'm the owner of a company called Agile in Asia. Today I'm here to help my clients find really high quality manufacturers for their product. Having been attending the Canton Fair for over 22 years, I can tell you from the first time I started coming to the Canton Fair to today is a huge and wide difference. In the early days, most of what you would see are, low value add products. Today, it covers pretty much every single category. And in that process of being able to see so many different things, you're able to get a lot of cool ideas for inspiration for how you can help yourself and maybe expand your product category, or come up with a new idea for some new features for your products, or find new partners in an adjacent category to support your current lineup. I'm standing here in the medical device hall of the Canton Fair, and the big theme is the convergence of medical devices and robotics. And of course, you're seeing the emergence of artificial intelligence and the integration with diagnostics equipment. I recommend you checking out the Canton Fair, because I guarantee you, just walking this for a few days is not only a lot of fun, but could be greatly inspiring, because it really gives you a taste on Chinese manufacturing, how Chinese manufacturing has not only evolved over the years, but how it's matured in so many ways. Okay, so as I wrap up my awesome day here at the Canton Fair, I'd like to talk a little bit about my plans here for the future. I have a family here, obviously I have a business here, and I'm strategically planning to stay out here for the long term, because I see China as a strategic part of any supply chain as it pertains to the manufacturing of a wide range of products.